Crisis family, and welcome back to the channel. It's spring outdoor cleaning series for 2026. Today our focus is on my fire pit area. My chairs are in desperate need of cleaning. This fire pit, well, it's trash at this point, so I purchased a new one. We're going to attempt, I don't like putting things together. We're going to attempt to put a new fire pit together and clean this area up. Right now, it's a little windy, a little breezy, and we definitely could use the fire pit right now. So I have a few visitors here with me. Come on. So I have 2/3 of the Migos. Y'all know Vay, y'all know Nevaeh, and this is Cousin Lyric. And so we're going to clean this area, do the fire pit, and hopefully this won't take too long because they're hungry. They want me to cook biscuits. So let's see how fast we can get this done. You know what to do, stick and stay. Give this video a big thumbs up, leave a kind comment below, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get to the cleaning. Huh?
Is good, and His mercy endures forever.
The pollen has done an unbelievable number on my furniture, well, everything that's outside. But today, we're changing all of that with a little outdoor deep cleaning. What outdoor projects are you currently tackling right now? Drop it down in the comment section below. Let's see what we are all working on right now. This 28-inch round wood-burning fire pit was a recent purchase from Wally World. It says it's easy assembly. Well, we'll see. It includes a protective cover, fire poker, spark screen, and wood grate. And it was just under $70 at the time of purchase. Of course, you can shop my Walmart storefront. The link is in the description and the bio for your shopping convenience. It comes with all of the directions, screws, and a convenient Allen wrench. Prices family, I am highly irritated at this point. We took the fire pit out of the box and it is damaged. So there goes Nevaeh. Nevaeh and I are on our way back to the Walmart, and hopefully they have another one in store, and hopefully this one is not damaged. This is why I don't like putting things together. And yeah, see my Amazon boxes? Yeah, Amazon haul is on the way. Luckily for us, we were able to find another fire pit at my local Walmart. A quick exchange and 15 miles here back home. Now we're here for take 2 of the fire pit assembly. I really appreciate my little cousins, number 1 and number 2, for coming to the Johnson Ranch and helping me with this outdoor cleanup and assembly. And of course, you know I had to do something for them as well. They couldn't wait for the sun to go down, and now it's s'mores time with Cousin Trina. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel on today, and I appreciate your continued support. On your way out, you know what you need to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, leave a kind comment below. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Do it right now and join my Prices family. Hit the subscription once, hit the bell twice, and you'll never miss a future upload. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.